love it. It's been so much fun. It's my first time actually coming into the building, and then that's when they was like, hey, we're having an event today, you guys should go try it. And we went, and it's a whole bunch of just activities and prizes and celebrating the graduates this semester, so it was so much fun.
Me and my friend have been just having competitions with each other with each game, trying to see who wins. So we've been having fun. It's not only the games, but just information that you find out. And so, like, my friend is graduating, and she also found out some stuff about graduation. I found out some stuff about some scholarships, about certain clubs they have.
We played Connect Four, we played Bingo. She won, of course, but I won Connect Four times. And we actually did a questionnaire about Eagles, and we both got a prize from that too. So just interesting facts we learned today out the Blue game. So it was pretty fun. We did a picture booth too. So you guys survived, you guys conquered, you guys did it, and congrats to the class of 2026.
You guys did it. You are out. Now you gotta go to the real world, just a little, but you got this far. God loves you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.